So this is the top of the processor head right here where the knife goes. There's the knife. That knife probably weighs 150, 200 pounds. But the way that Wartall designs this thing is that knife can float. It has two pins that go in this slot right here, and the knife can float up and down. Some applications that's good, but in our application it's not, because we fool with these loblolly pines, and the weight of that knife sitting on that top, it'll break that top a lot of times. So what I did several years ago for Kevin, I just put these pins in here to hold that knife up to keep it from dropping down, and which worked good. But what happens is that thing has so much shock on it, it continually breaks my welds, and I hadn't had a wire welder out to do it. So I went and I put some more piece of metal up under it to support it. It will still crack that out. So since I got the wire welder out here today, I'm fixing to weld these son of guns up solid. The whole thing, there's not going to be any gap nowhere in here. I'm fixing to weld it up solid. We've already taken and burned all that out, so that's what I'm fixing to do right quick. Finished up. Maybe this stupid thing won't break no more. I hope not, anyhow. There's the two pins, the two big pins that sit in those holes that where the knife floats up and down. They ought to make it to where it's got some way to pin it and bolt it rigid. But like I said, we don't like it like that. I bring out wire welder, and I do it with a wire welder because it's so much quicker. I have to fool with no stupid flux, knocking the flux off. And if I do have to arc weld, I use a wire brush on the grinder to do it. So, working all day today, man. Dirty. Later, taters.